Hey there, Tallman Clan, and welcome back. Today, as you can see, we are on deck 15 on the Carnival Jubilee. We are up, well, it's a passenger cabin deck, as you can see, and so we're going to show you where all your cabins are in reference to the 3 elevator banks. Now, that being said, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I can't turn the camera to show you every cabin number or you would get nauseous. So I'm going to call out the numbers and point with my finger or thumb so that you can get the idea of where your cabin is. Now, last thing, when you see or hear your cabin number call, do us a favor, leave a comment and let us know where you're sailing, okay? 15289, 287, 285, crew area, 283, 281, 279. So we have our first little fun area. This deck has some inside cabins. Outside of the ship is over there. So we're just gonna take a detour and show you the inside cabins. 241, 239, 237, 235, 233, 231. All right, crew door. As you see, we've sort of come out around. It's just a bank there. So we're gonna back up to where we started. It's a little bit of a backtrack, but we don't want to miss your cabin. Okay, so this is the intersection right here where Lisa is. By the way, see, look at this big poster. Somebody put that up there. Nice, love that. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Wonder if it was a passenger or the crew. 277, 275, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43. Now we're going to take a big jump in cabin numbers because of that inside cabin area, okay? Because we went from 243 back there to 229, 227, crew area, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 209, 207, 205, 209, 201, just a nice big sort of open area here. Crossing over, 202, 204, 06, 08, 10. And here we go. 12, 14, 16, 20. They skipped the number. Oh, no, they didn't. 12, 14, 16. Where's 18? 20. Yeah, we don't have an 18. 222. Oh, yes, we do. It's around the corner. Look at that. Those sly devils. 218. 222. We were confused. 224. 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, crew door, 64, little jig jog here, 66, 68, 70, crew door, 72, 74, 76, 78. Now notice the color of the carpet changed. This is where the elevators and the stairs are. They give you at least a visible sign of where these are. So we are just on the other side of where we started in the forward elevator banks, okay? 278, 280, 282, 284, 286, 288, 290, 292, little jig jog, 294, 96, 98, 300, 302, 304, 06, 08, crew doors, 310, 312, crew door, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74. There's a crude door right here. 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. I pointed that as 88. 88 is on this side, 90 is on that side, 92. Here are color change of the carpet, midship, elevators and stairs, okay? 94, 96, 98, 400, 402, 404, 406, a little jig jog here, 408, 410, 412, 414, 416, 18, 20, couldn't see the number though, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, crew door, 34, 36, 38, 40, crew door, 42, 444, 446, 448, 450, and we, again, color change in the carpet. That means stairs and elevators. We're at your aft stairs and elevators. 452, 54, 56, 58, 60. Again, a second entrance to the aft elevator shaft, okay? 462, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92. It is really loud right there. I don't think you'd hear it in your cabin, but it is really loud. 509, 507, 505, 503, 501, 499, 497, 95, 93, 91, 89, 87, 85, 83. Every time we switch over to the odd numbers, it takes me a second. 81, 79, 77. One of the entrances to the aft elevator stairs and elevators. 75, 73, 71, 69, and here's the other entrance to your aft stairs and elevators, okay? Right across from 69. 467, 465, 63, 61, 59, crew door, 57, 55, 53, crew door, 51, 49, a little bit of noise coming from back there too, 47, 45, you won't hear it in your cabins, 43, 41, same thing right here in this area, 39, 37, this whole area, 35, 33, 31, 29, and the noise goes away right about here. So a lot of engine noise back there, but again, I don't think you'll hear it in your cabins. 27, 25, 23, 21, 49, sorry, 419, 417. I do that every time. 415, 411. And again, your midship elevators, right? Let's just point them out because it's hard to see them sometimes. There they are right there. Again, 411, 409, 407, 405, 401, 403, 399, 97, 95, 93. Ironing room. You guys have an ironing room on your deck. 301, crew door, 89, 87, 85, 83, 81, 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 333, 331, 329, 327. Big area here. That's a crew door back there, okay? 325, 323, 319, 321, 317, 315, 311, 309, 307, 305, 303, little jig jog, 301, 299, 297, 295, 293, 291, and guess what? We have made it all the way back to the forward elevator shaft, right where we started. So we have taken you 360. Let us know if you saw your cabin. If you had, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing. Until we see you again on another deck or on another ship, be safe.